Hello and thank you for visiting. Have a seat and enjoy the tour. Let me know if you are interested in additional information. Beautiful garden home with unique open floor plan for the neighborhood. Improvements made since purchase are open kitchen to breakfast and living combination area, extended food pantry, installed wall-paneled shelves in secondary bedroom, lighting fixtures, and updated kitchen and baths. Roof and gutters 2022, toilets and water heater replaced 2022. Home features ensuite master bath and master with sitting area, separate shower and garden tub, walk-in closet, and updated light fixtures. Nest thermostat and cameras will stay. Refrigerator, washer, dryer are negotiable with sale. Secondary bedrooms feature window seats. Did I mention the gorgeous view in the back to Indian Trails Greenbelt with creek in the distance so no neighbors across the alleyway? Bonus energy-saving solar panels. Accredited Horn High School. Simply gorgeous.